Students, have you imagined yourself flying in the sky? How would it feel like? Look at these animals. They can fly in the sky. Do you know who they are? Yes, they are birds. Does it mean birds are the animals that can fly? There are some birds that cannot fly. So, what are birds then? Birds are the animals with feathers and wings. Today, let us get to know some common birds. This is a parrot. A parrot is a bird. This is also a parrot. A parrot is a bird. This is a sparrow. A sparrow is a bird. This is also a sparrow. A sparrow is a bird. This is a dove. A dove is a bird. This is also a dove. A dove is a bird. Do you know some more birds? Look here. This is a pigeon. A pigeon is a bird. This is also a pigeon. A pigeon is a bird. This is a crow. A crow is a bird. This is also a crow. A crow is a bird. Again, look here. This is an eagle. An eagle is a bird. This is also an eagle. An eagle is a bird. An eagle is the bird that can fly the highest. Now look at this bird. It is a myna. A myna is a bird. This is also a myna. A myna is a bird. Again, look at this bird. It is a peacock. A peacock is a bird. This is also a peacock. A peacock is a bird. Again, look at this bird. It is an owl. An owl is a bird. This is also an owl. An owl is a bird. Now look at this bird. It is an ostrich. An ostrich is a bird. This is also an ostrich. An ostrich is a bird. An ostrich is the largest bird. But remember that ostrich cannot fly. An ostrich can walk and run. Again, look at this bird. It is a penguin. A penguin is a bird. This is also a penguin. A penguin is a bird. Like an ostrich, a penguin also cannot fly. A penguin can walk on land and swim in water. Now you have learned about many birds. Birds are the most beautiful animals found around us.